Yeah, well, it makes me feel really hopeful, and he's making decisions based on what he sees happening in the real world. So the governor's been on tour in the state, and he's been going into a lot of these different vaccination clinics. He's been talking to local health officials, to physicians, to vaccine providers, to health commissioners, and it's through that assessment that he had confidence in moving up that date and making it, earlier than the May 1st targeted date that our federal government had put out there. So that does make me feel hopeful and optimistic, and it's reflective of how well we're doing. So as a country and as a state, we're actually doing really well in terms of getting vaccinations into arms right now. So that is definitely good news. Yeah, so there's actually several clinical trials that are underway with thousands of participants, so thousands of people in the younger age groups. Both Moderna and Pfizer are well underway into those trials, and we actually should see some results this spring, but it'll go through the same process that we saw with the vaccine that we're delivering to adults right now. So the results will be released. We'll get a statement from one of the drug companies when they have enough data that they feel it's appropriate to release a statement. And then if they feel that it's effective and safe in that age group, they will apply for emergency use authorization. When it goes through that process, an independent panel will look at the data from top to bottom, not just the statement, but the actual participant data, and they will make a recommendation to the FDA. And then the FDA will be challenged with looking at the data as well, and also looking at the recommendation from the independent panel. If they feel that it is safe and efficacious in those age groups, then they'll release another emergency use authorization for those age groups. And right now, the next age group that we expect is going to be that 12 to 17 age group. And I know that there's planned trials to expand into lower age groups beyond that after these trials are completed. So eventually, we hope to be vaccinating everybody: children, toddlers, teenagers, adults, and everybody who falls into those high-risk categories.